In this video, I share with you powerful and very effective magical recipes for hair growth. Stops hair loss, no matter how severe, and fights premature baldness. Getting thick and long hair has become possible and very easy. Only with natural and safe ingredients and a little patience, you will get amazing results, I promise you. Hair will grow abundantly without stopping like Indians. To prepare the recipe, we need fresh parsley. Rinse the parsley with water until all impurities are removed. Then chop the parsley well and get rid of the yellow leaves. Parsley enhances hair density and scalp purity. Because it contains antiseptic and antibacterial substances. Now we need a very small lemon. Chop the lemon into small pieces. Lemon boosts collagen production and gets rid of dandruff. Guys, I love reading your comments so much, so write to me in the comments from which country you watch my videos. Then we will need garlic. It is preferable to use male garlic because its effect is much stronger than regular garlic. We only need 3 cloves. Garlic is one of the most powerful natural treatments for baldness and hair loss. Stimulates hair growth like crazy. It is used as one of the best treatments for hereditary baldness. Now put the previous ingredients in an electric mixer. Add 300 ml of water. Guys, I am happy to read your comments. Write to me in the comments the recipes you would like to see. Now we need a screen with nice holes. Filter the mixture well. Then we need a spray bottle. Keep the toner in a cool place. Shake the bottle well before use. Use the toner on the scalp only and define the empty areas well. After the scalp absorbs it, wash your hair with shampoo. Use the recipe only twice a week.
I
hope you do not miss this recipe because it is powerful and makes hair grow abundantly. To prepare the second recipe, we need red onions. Onions stop hair loss from the first use. Chop the onion into small pieces. Chop the onion. Then rinse it with water. Then put it in a pot. Add a tablespoon of coffee. Coffee is great for hair health. Gives it a fantastic shine and luster. It strengthens weak and damaged hair follicles. Stimulates blood flow to the scalp. Rich in antioxidants that regulate scalp moisture. Well, the third ingredient is hibiscus. This mobile pharmacy is a miracle that increases hair length in an amazing way. Prevents hair breakage and gives it amazing shine and freshness. It is used to prevent the appearance of gray hair. We take a small handful. Now we need a spoon of black cumin black seed. It helps to thicken, lengthen, and moisturize hair. Fills in gaps and treats hair loss. Hair growth in bald areas due to fungi and skin problems. We immerse the ingredients in water. Then put the pot on low heat. Leave it for 10 minutes until the mixture heats up. Cover the pot so as not to lose the natural volatile oils found in herbs. After it cools, filter it into a spray bottle. I hope you will share with me your experiences regarding the use of natural recipes. You can keep it in the refrigerator door for a week. Spray the toner on the scalp and avoid using it on the ends of the hair. Use it 2 to 3 times a week. I advise you to warm the toner before use so that the scalp can absorb it easily. Now guys, choose the recipe that suits you. You can use both recipes together. I promise you will notice amazing results. From the first week, hair loss stops and short hair grows. You can use these recipes for pregnant women, children, and even men. And now we have reached the end of the video. See you in the next video.